Here it is. Yeah. Now I should hear myself in the streaming. Okay, so welcome back to the stream. So today is going to be small stream, 30 minutes, 45 minutes maybe. So I see that there's someone, probably with a boy. I'm not going to be able to do debug testing. So let's try to explain what I want to do. So as you can see here, I am trying to test the Trailerine K004 strategy in what's the name? Oops. In this coin, which is sats. So this is the futures sats, which is 1000 sats. This is Binance futures. So as you can see here, it has worked properly, and here it seems that it's also going to win here the trade, or it's going to be a very good trade. But in any case, what I'm studying right now in order to do my stats is BTC, because with sats we have only 26 trades, and so what I want to do is to use BTC, even if it's not so good, or even if it's not so green. And the idea is that thanks to BTC, so BTC. So right now the settings that I have is 224 for every one of them. Usually I have another range of minimum and maximum consensus data. Okay, so so what I mean is that I don't know. Yeah, so what I want to do right now is to get the more data possible. So this is a good idea to have from 2 to 24, so that we have, even if they are wrong trades, I have more data, and I can find why the hell data is not working properly. Okay, so this is something that I'm going to do into a spreadsheet, and so probably what I want to do is export this data and try to figure out how much do you win in each one of the trades. Okay. However, there's this thing that I want to debug, which here you have the long consensus. The problem is that I don't know which one of the offsets is the one. So when the offset starts exactly, so that it's triggered here, and that's what I want to debug. So I will need a lot of variables here in order to debug this. Okay. So let's see. So right now we don't have any change, but I probably want to create a debug something. Where the hell is this? So scripts, trailering. So I probably want to copy and paste this and say this is debug, and we put a lot of stuff, and then later on, I just remove it. You know what I mean? So let's open this around here, and I don't know, maybe we can put a D or a D here, so that we know that this is debug. Okay, so this is the D. The problem is that I won't be able to check any changes, but in any case, so yeah. So the first thing I want to do is to know when we are trading here, and you've got this consensus. I want to know these 6 consensus values here. What the hell are they? Are consensus from here, or are they from here? That's something that I want to know. So as you might think, here on the source code, let me open the debug again, also on the top. So as you might know, what we actually do here is we save into, where the hell are you? We save here. How the hell is this? We saved into this trading status. We saved all the values that the strategy needs to be working on, and one of the things that we are saving is the trailing offset. I mean, we are not actually saving it, but it's one thing. I mean, we are saving it in the position. So this means that, let me see, that when you run this, you've got this offset. So when you start to, okay, so when you are in this candle, you and you are about to trigger something, 0 means your current trade, 1 means the previous trade. So wait a moment. But you don't actually know when this started. Yeah, that's a problem. Wait a moment. So I can take, what the hell is this? I can take this, which you can see here. I can loop all the array, all the trader in the status array, and I can get the long bet or the short bet. Should we long or should we short, depending on, you know, depending on if a breakout has happened or not. So what I want to get from here is how old is the the trailering? So when did the trailering start? Okay, and that's what I haven't figured out yet how to do it. I mean, should I just save the value that? Okay, so should I save the value? 1 second. Should I save the value that? Okay, let's assume that the one of the trailering is this one here. It has started here and then it disappears. So you've got the bar index when you start, and you've got the current bar index. So you could make a difference, and you will see, you will know if a given offset so what you want to save is the bar index, and then you want to save the difference between the bar index and the current bar index. That way you could get an array that exposes long bed for each one of them and short bed for each one of them. Should I do another array or everything in the same array? Because the problem is that if you want to order this, it's not going to be easy. That's interesting. So I could save this here on the trailer arena status with this array, or I could just have two different arrays with the beds, just depending on where the where this starts, where this starts. So been because what I want is matrix of long beds and short beds depending on how far they are into the past, so that I can then plot it somehow, make some conclusions. Okay, the first thing I want to do is what the hell is this? I want just to check export data. I think this was not very good. Let me see. Okay, so if we save this here, we can open this and we can see how, look at that, here it says that you need to go long. It has just sent it. Here you don't have any of the custom variables that you want to export. I mean, they could be here if you wanted to, but no, they are not here. So PineScript export. Do we have anything related to sport? Yeah, and what the hell is this? Returns. Okay, so the library. No, so there is no way of having custom exports in PineScript, the way I see it. Okay, so this is going to be not amusing. Okay, so once again, I want to get all of this data, and it's not going to be nice. I need to do screenshots and then parse them manually and whatever. So So let me see. When the hell do we save the bar index as a bar index start? So we should save it in the function. So here we have the function. So my guess is that each time you reset variables, you should be saving. Okay, if you're not inside the position and then you are inside the position, then you do this. So it's probably this is what you want to do. Close bird position price, bird position price. Okay. If you are inside the position. Okay, so I think this is the right place where to put this. And here we will have the same thing. So what you want to put here is the bar index. So bar index. Oh my god. So this is an integer. So this is going to be so this is bar index. So this is going to be a start bar index. Let's put it like this. The start bar index start. Okay, and this is going to be a local variable, and we're going to say that this is bar index, and that's it. Okay. Bar index. So when you start, okay. So what does happen if? Wait a minute. This is the same thing twice. I mean, this is only needed once, but I don't want to think where to put this because I want this to be done anyways. So probably you only need it here, but you know. So this bar index start should be something like this, which is here. So this is going to be a P. So where the bar index start. So we want to save the bar index start between loops. So bar index start needs to be a parameter from here, which is very nice. Okay, so let's go here so that we can think about this. And now we are going to call this function with a new variable, which is going to be this bar index stuff. So this is going to be without anything. And also, I almost forget about this, we should return as TMP this bar index. Okay, so this means that when you go to return all of this stuff here, you return it like this, which is this variable, which is here. Here it is. Okay, nice. So what the hell are we missing here? So the first thing that we are missing is that this variable needs to be read from this thing here, which is the from the array. So this is the place to read variables that are the current candle, not previous candle. So this is going to be bar index start. Yeah, and yeah. So you get the bar index start from this thing here. Okay. So once you have this, meaningless thinking if this might be easier. Maybe we don't have to save bar index, but you know, I don't know. So bar index start is saved here, and then something needs to happen. Once you return all of this, you need to update this. So what you actually want to do is bar index start. It's a TMP here. Look at that. Yeah. And then everything is saved here. So once you have all of this saved here, which we want to do, we can use that in order to find out which is the bar index. We can use this to plot everything here. So that's what I want to do. I want to do a plot to see what happens here. So basically, so before going on, what I want to do is I want to plot everything related to this. Let's see if I can find the plots somewhere. Plot. Okay, I might need to go. This is style something. Yeah, so we want plot char, which is what's easier to do. So now, so basically what we want to do with all of this, which, damn it, I should have. So trailer in plot. Okay, so let's put it here and then we will see how it goes. So basically here on the top we're going to find this thing here. So what I want to plot is each one of the offsets. Okay. So this is going to be offset 1. This is going to be bar index diff 1. means 0, and so on. Okay. So here, what we're going to have here is this value, which I'm going to try. So the value is going to be the start bar index thing, which we have somewhere. Bar index start. Okay, so this bar index start value. Okay. This is, what the hell is this? So this is bar index minus the start. Okay. So bar index minus the start minus the start, it's going to be this 0 stuff. Okay. And we cannot loop plot chars, if I'm not mistaken, so we are not going to do that. We're going to just copy and paste a lot of times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. So we need 24. I mean, yeah, 24. So it's probably like this. We will see. So we want to go to 20. What's the name? 20. I mean, we want to go to 23, so that we have from 0 to 23. That way we've got everything here. So look at that. So 22 and 23. That's right. 22 and 23. So this is where we get the value from the training status array. We've got offset 1 and so on. But here we will see what's the actual value difference between the bar index and whenever they start. So that way we can we can check if there's anything. I mean, we think that this might be in order, but we actually don't know if this is in order or not. You know what I mean? So that's what you want to have here. Okay, look at that. Okay, so now we have all of this bar index diff something with these values here from 0 to 23. So hopefully this is good. This is good enough. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'm going to add a new one so that then I can just remove it. Yeah, so this is the D1, which is the back one. Okay. Object has not been filled, bar index start. Okay, look at that. So here on the very top, we need to set, what the hell are you? You need to set type definition, which is here. So this is going to be, I don't know, 0. So I don't know how to do it. So this by default is going to be 0, and that's it. So once again, so we copy and paste everything, and then here copy and paste and see how it goes. So this we want to use 224. Now that I think about it, That's very, I mean, that's important. That's something that it's better. Okay. So I want to add this to the chart. And now again, let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is very good because I'm only doing this 224 stuff, 2 few trades. So we are doing this settings here. Now let's have much more trades so that we know what the hell is happening here, why it fails. Okay, so look at that, div 21. Oh my god, there's something wrong there. Okay, here we are. This is the thing. Why div 21 has 20,000 staff here? That's not right. Oh my god. This is not working as expected. You should be ending a oh, so this is even better because maybe what happens here is that we have less and less trades. That makes sense. Oh my god, what the hell? Why div 21 is never reset? What the hell is happening here? There's something wrong in all of this. Okay, so this is nice because now we know. And why all of these divs are 0 here? What the hell? Yeah, because bar index. We are checking bar index difference. Okay, this is not what I thought it was going to be, so I'm not sure what the hell I'm doing here. So this bar index stuff. Okay, let's use bookmarks, otherwise this is going to be very long. So here, here we are saving this bar index that it's being returned here. Okay, and so this bar index is being fed to this local variable, which is only modified. And this is only modified if the variables are reset or before being in a position you get into another position. So probably there's something wrong with all of this, because you should be resetting variables. So reset variables is set to true when one of these two things do not happen. So this is not okay. We need to debug this and find out why the hell this is not right. So let's write it down. So we have hope. So maybe this is not working as expected because we lose some of this. Look at that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. I'm supposed to make a copy of this, but this is a simple character. This is simple. What the hell happens here? Why bar index something? I don't understand this. I mean, so keep working on the debug of the current values. Do not make sense. Apparently either we should copy clone the integer value, or the way the strategy works, Train it's not properly coded. Yeah, so to do this thing here, okay? So this is what we need to be working on, because this does not make sense at all. So yes, the difference should increase, but it should be reset when you have to reset variables, which it's probably when so maybe reset variables when bar index, maybe reset variables when bar index minus bar index start is greater than 24, where 24 is the period, the train period. I mean, that's something that we need to take a look at and see. Keep working on the debug. Yeah, so this is something that we need to check. What the hell? This is down train. Why do we go long? Because I want to use Hi Freedom Boy. Yeah, but this is not a trend following strategy. This is a return to the mean strategy. Because I think it works more in the long term. In any case, this is not okay, because most of the times apparently we are resetting this thing, so I might not be understanding what to do here. Reset variables. False. Reset variables. That's I don't understand this. Yeah. Okay, let me write one just more line and that's it. Maybe reset variables. Why var index start is never reset. Some offsets. Wait a minute. Yeah. Is it to be expected? Okay, so I need to go. I already said at the very start that this was going to be a short stream. So thank you very much for watching. Not sure I'm going to be online this tonight. We will see. But I want to fix this because if these values here should go from 0 to 24, and that's it. Once you are on 24, you should reset variables, because that's a good question. Why would you reset this thing when you are in 24? I mean, this 24 thing, it's not as an argument of this function. So probably yes, we need. So either the logic it's outside this function, or we don't have it. So once we don't have it, it doesn't, unless reset variables. Yeah, maybe you are always inside the position and reset variables. Reset variables. I think we need to force reset variables to be true when so if you are not inside the cell order or inside the by order. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Let me write this down. And I will end the stream. So when going from 24 super strategies to one single strategy, what happens is that in that previous implementation, it was more clear that you were not in a cell order or by order. It was more clear that you were not in a cell order or by order. Thus, the reset variable was set to true more often. So there's this trading bot, which I think it's being used here, as you can see. So here in trading bot here, you can see how it's, yeah, by default is false, and then you've got, I mean, you should be having this thing here where you are 0 or not, and then if this happens, then you reset. The problem is that you need not to be inside the sell order or buy order. So somehow when trade ends, we need to force variables to reset. I'm not sure about this one. If you are not inside the sell order, not inside the buy order, then something. Okay. I'm going to end the stream. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.